Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Disney Solitaire in-game purchases not working so you can buy coins, boosters, or other items. First, make sure your card or payment method is valid and has sufficient balance. Check for any other restrictions from your bank. Then, check your internet connection. Purchases require a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Then go to the App Store or Play Store, install the latest Disney Solitaire version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Disney Solitaire app, swipe it away completely, closing it. Then restart your phone and open Disney Solitaire again. If purchases still fails, contact Disney Solitaire support with transaction details. That's how to fix the Disney Solitaire in-game purchases not working. Subscribe for more quick fixes.